Hey, what's up, guys? This is Michael, where you and I work together in organizing the simplest steps on washing your vehicle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to detail your vehicle in simple steps. In the first step, you're going to inspect your car. You're going to inspect the paint, the wheels, the windows. Depending on how dirty your car is, it's going to determine the different steps that you're going to take to bring your car back to life and make it shine again. Alright, step 2 would be to rinse the paint. Either by garden hose, pressure washer. If you use pressure washer, keep it between 1200 to 1800 psi. Anything more than that, you're going to damage the paint. Garden hose is good. I actually use the Chemical Guys Torque 6, which attaches to the hose, which sprays out the soap. Then I can detach and rinse off. In step 3, you want to use a premium car soap that's pH balanced for a vehicle. Do not use dish soap. Dish soap is terrible for your paint job. Microfiber towels or mitts, and you want to wash in straight lines. Do not do these swirls. These figure eights right here will leave swirls in your car. You will notice them, especially in dark vehicle color cars. That's bad for your vehicle. So while you're rinsing down your vehicle, you'll want to inspect again, because sometimes iron particles, rusts, some other dirt, chip paints and stuff can hide behind dirt, mud, and dust that's on your vehicle already. So while you're rinsing, you still want to look again and look for stuff like that. It's going to be helpful when you go to do your polishing and buffing on your vehicle. By using a microfiber towel or a waffle weave towel. Those are the two ways you want to dry your vehicle. They both will not scratch your vehicle or leave swirl marks. I also use compressed air, which you can either use air compressor, shop vac, or a handheld air compressor. It helps when you dry your vehicle to get the water out and all the cracks. But microfiber I like because it does hold a lot of water. It will not scratch your vehicle, and it's soft to use. As you drive your car around town, things like paint overspray, brake dust, pollution, industrial contamination land on your paintwork and get stuck in the tiny pores of the surfaces. The clay bar, which grabs onto the contamination that sticks onto the surface of your vehicle, then pulls it out as you rub the clay across your paintwork, restoring a smooth to the touch surface, primed for polishing or pristine coat of wax or sealant. Now, to help your clay bar glide across the surface without getting stuck or marring the gloss shine, you'll need lubricant. This is where a clay luber comes into play. By simply spray a clay luber mist over the surface and lay the clay bar down on the coat, and slick lubrication between the clay bar and your paint Now, as always, the clay bar grabs onto the above surface contamination stuck onto the paint. It won't get stuck to or mar the paint finish. Clay your vehicle, you do one panel at a time on your vehicle. Then you just simply wipe it off with a microfiber towel as you proceed around the vehicle. Here I'm just showing you the hood so I can show you step-by-step process how to basically clean your car, get it back to a pristine shine and smooth and everything. So what I'm going to do here after I'm done wiping this down, I'm going to get some piece of painter's tape, cut this in half, and I'm going to basically show you on one side, once you wax and polish, seal everything, the difference between non-work and work is great. So I can already feel how smooth the one side is. It's pretty smooth. It's like night and day. See, you can see how my hand just glides across the paint. Go over here, you see my hand gets stuck. It's sticking. The side I did not clay. All I did was just wash it. That's all I did. Nothing else. You can just see how it's just making my hand stick. That's the contaminations that you'll get on your cars you can't see. Alright, step 6, I'm going to use a scratch and swirl remover, which is easy to use. Polish that cuts strong and quickly removes swirls, scratches, and defects, then finishes like a fine polish to deliver a mirror finish in just one step. It really cuts hard and refines the finish in one easy step. It restores a mirror-like shine to your paint, it saves time and product with an amazing result. It's quick and easy to remove scratches and swirls. So I use the slower speed to spread the compound around. Then I speed it up to speed 5, between 5 and 6. And I'm using the most abrasive pad, the yellow one. And you just move about 1 inch per second. Is about the speed you should have, with about a 50% overlap. Keeping your straight lines, using a crosshatch pattern, going back and forth. Extremely helpful. This is what you want to do on your first step of processing. happens to your vehicle, you'll do one panel, two at the most at a time, about a 2 foot by 2 foot area, and you'll use a microfiber towel and wipe off your compound. Make sure when you do this though, when you use your microfiber towel, fold it up in eighths. When you fold it in half and half again, you get 8 sides. The wet part of the wax will stick to the microfibers, so you do want to flip it around, turn it around quite a bit. And you will be using a lot of towels when you do compounding. Make sure you do have quite a bit on hand. But the next step for this would be, for me, sealant. That's what I'm going to be doing next. Let's see what we do here. What I like to do is a wet mirror finish, which is a unique gloss magnifying glaze that takes any vehicle shine to the next level while reducing static charge of the vehicle surface and minimizing dirt and dust adhesions. The synthetic formula bonds to the surface at a nanotech level for a deep brilliant shine with a slick finish. It's also going to help penetrate formulas that goes deep into a light swirled scratches, creating an even surface that even better reflects the light for an extra wet shine. The cleanliness paintwork that fills minor swirls and scratches and bonds to the surfaces enhances the color and adds an extra shine. Before I go to my last step, so what I recommend after each time you do a wax or a polish in between your next step is use some isopropyl alcohol, which will super clean everything up before you get to your next step. It will remove any excess wax, polish, dust, anything that got on there. Extremely helpful. Now on my last step, I'm going to use the butter wet wax, which makes your paint shine to a vibrant magic of natural carnauba, a wax taken from leaves of a Brazilian plants. These are natural ingredients, not only fight off harsh effects of the environment, they also leave a refined and light cleanse your paint from the light scuffs, bird droppings, road tar, tree sap, and even overspray. And it also adds a durable shield against harmful UV rays that helps protect your paint even more. you can see the one side that which has been washed, clayed, waxed, sealed, polished. Everything has been done on one side. The other side just got washed and nothing else. This is what you get if you just go through a regular car wash. I'm gonna take my water. I'm gonna show you the beading action now from the beginning video to now. You can see the water just beading right off the vehicle. Total protection from UV rays, the harsh environments, all the brake dust and everything else that you're getting from road grime. On the right side, you can tell it's protected. Now, if you like watching detailing videos and how to take care of your car videos, other products on how to take care of your vehicle, consider hitting that subscribe button. Here's a couple videos for you to go check out. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next video.